Welcome to my channel Maths Mama. Today we will discuss some tricky question which is readily available in competitive examination. Find the value of root 5, root 5, root 5, root 5. This is up to infinity. What is its answer? You can answer it within few seconds. Suppose the answer is here, you consider this as A. Okay. So the answer is A. What is the value of A here? It is 5. Okay. So the answer is 5. Second question. Okay. This is first question. This is second question. If the question is like this, root 6, root 6, root 6, this is up to infinite. So, what is the answer of these questions? You can say easily the answer is 6. Because when all these number, okay, this is root 6, this is root 6, this is root 6, all are here is the product. Okay, all are here product up to infinite. So the answer is equal to the number itself. It is 6 here, so the answer is 6. This is type 1. This is type 1. Now I am going for the type 2. If this kind of question with the small change, suppose this is 6 plus root over 6 plus root over 6, this is up to infinite. So what is its answer? You can see easily here all are the product, but here plus sign is here. You can answer within few seconds. Just you have to remember the tricks. What is the tricks? The rule is, what is the rule? Number 1 is, this is 6 here, so this is 6 here, factorize is just 6 equal to, we can say it is 6 into 1 and 6 is equal to 2 into 3. Okay, we can say 6 equal to 6 into 1 or 2 into 3. This is number 1. So just you factorize this 6 with the difference of the factor is 1. So difference of the factor must be 1. So number 1, difference of factor must be 1. So eliminate this. We can say 6 equal to 2 into 3 because the difference is 3 minus 2, 1. So we consider this. And next is, if the sign is plus or the positive, if this sign is positive, then, or it may be the negative, I will show you both. Then what is the formula here? Formula is very easy. Remember this formula. For the plus sign, the answer is this factor, bigger factor. The answer is the bigger factor. So what is the answer of this? root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 up to infinite is equal to, the answer is 3, because 6 is equal to 2 into 3 and 3 is the bigger, 2 is the smaller, so the answer is 3. Are you getting me clearly? First, factorize this number. Factorize this number. We can get this 6 into 1 or 2 into 3. So consider only those factors whose difference is only 1, because 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So we will consider this factor, and 6 into 1 is rejected. This is the first rule. And what is the second rule? What is the second rule? Second rule is, the answer is the bigger factor if the sign is positive. If the sign is positive. Okay. Here root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6, sign is positive. So we have taken 3 as the answer. I will show you the another example. You can see it. Suppose root 2, or you can say it root 2 is the root 2. Okay, root 2. Root 2 is the easy one. All is plus. So what is the answer? Because we can say 2 is equal to 2 into 1. Difference of 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So the answer is 2. We will take the bigger one because all the signs positive. Now, number 3. If it is like this, this is 20 minus root over 20 minus root over 20, it is up to infinite. So what is its answer? First, we can say 20 equal to 4 into 5. We can say 20 is equal to 4 into 5, and the difference of 5 minus 4 equal to 1. Okay, that's why I have considered 4 into 5. Otherwise we may consider 10 into 2, 20 into 1, lot of this. So 20 is equal to 4 into 5, and the difference of this factor is 1. So what is the answer of these questions? Root over 20 minus root over 20 minus root over 20 up to infinite. So the answer is, as the minus is here, so we will take that smaller one, the smaller factor, 4. This is the answer here. If all are positive, then the answer is 5. If all are positive like this, root over 20 plus root over 20 plus root over 20 up to infinite. So what is the answer here? This answer is 20, you can say, is equal to 4 into 5. So this is the 5 is the bigger one, so we can say the answer is equal to 5. Okay, this is the answer, 5. If all are positive, then answer is 5, and if all are negative, their answer is 4. Clear? This is one pattern. I will show the next pattern. Type 3. If the question is like this, find the value of 17 plus root over 17 plus root over 17 plus and continued. What is its value? Here this number is 17, which cannot be factorized with the difference of 1, because 17 is the prime, so 1 into 17 only, these two factor, okay, and the difference is 16. So factorization not possible. Then what to do? In this case, we will use this formula. Remember this formula for the solutions of these questions within few seconds. The formula is like this: 4a plus 1, okay, plus minus 1 divided by 2. A is the 17 here. So what is the answer of this question? Answer of this question is root over 4 into 17 plus 1 by 2. 4 into 17 plus 1 by whole divided by 2. So it is root over 69 plus 1 by 2. This is answer. This is answer. Here it is written plus minus 1, but I have written here only plus 1. Why I have written here plus 1 instead of minus 1? Why not minus 1? Because you just look at the questions. All are plus. Here it is plus, here it is plus, here it is plus. So I have taken plus 1 here. It is clear now? Another question. If the question is like this: root over 13 minus root over 13 minus root over 13 and continued up to infinity. So what is the answer of these questions? What is its value? The formula is 4a plus 1 root minus 1 divided by whole divided by 2. This is the formula. Root over 4a plus 1 minus 1 all divided by 2. So put the value of a is equal to 13. So what is the answer? 4 into 13 plus 1 whole root minus 1 divided by 2. So what is the answer here? Answer is root over 53 minus 1 whole divided by 2 is the answer. So what I have made here? All are minus. So I considered here minus 1. If all are plus, then I may have considered here plus 1. Okay. So this is the type 3. Type 4. If the question is like this: 7 plus root over 7 minus root over 7 plus root over 7 minus, like this. Alternatively, this is plus minus plus minus. Then how to solve these questions within few seconds? To solve this question within few seconds, you have to remember the formula. Another formula is like this: root over 4a minus 3 divided by 2 plus 1. So what is the formula here? Formula is root over 4a plus 4a root over 4a minus 3. That means 4a minus 3 whole root plus minus 1 divided by 2. 4a minus 3 whole root plus minus 1 all divided by 2 is the formula. So why I have written here plus minus 1? Just remember this part is very interesting. So what is the answer of this question? Answer A is the 7 here. So the answer is root over 4 into 7 minus 3 within bracket plus 1. 4 into 7, 28 minus 3, this is equal to 25. So root over 25 plus 1 by 2. So root over 25 plus 1 by 2. So what is the answer here? This is 5 plus 1 6 divided by 2. That means 3 is the answer. So we have taken here positive 1. Why? Because if in the questions that sign starts with the positive, then you will take this positive 1. If the sign starts with the positive, then you take positive 1. And if this question is like this, root over 11 minus root over 11 plus root over 11 minus root over 11 plus up to infinity. So what is the answer here? This is up to infinity. So what is the answer here? Then apply the formula. What is the formula? Root over 4a minus 3 minus 1 divided by 2. Remember, this is minus 1 here. Why? Because the first sign is negative. So we write here minus 1. And here we have written plus 1. Why? Because the first sign is positive. If the sign starts with positive, then you say, okay, then we can say it is plus 1, and if the first sign is negative, then it is minus 1. So what is the answer here? Now A is the 11, so 4 into 11, 44 minus 3 root over 41. Yes, root over 41 minus 1 divided by 2 is the answer. Thank you.